very electrifying, I must say, a media conference organized by Hannover Milano Fairs India, promoting Hannover Messe, which is going to happen April this year at Hannover, Germany. We are having with us Geeta Bisht, as well as we are having with Divya Lad. These two are making all the arrangements for Indian companies who would like to go and exhibit there, or even if you want to visit. We are having a partnership with there. We are going to give you a lot of tickets.
Yes.
So that purpose is that Indian manufacturers should grow. We always talk about make in India, but until and unless you go and experience what is going to be in the global, and I've seen many people going regularly to Hanover, win trust. It is not easy to do business, and these people are working very hard to see that Indians can go to one of the biggest, largest trade fair in the world.
We have very good participation from India. We have very big companies. She knows all the list. She has it. And what new can they? That she knows what new is happening at Hannover Messe.
The new is more, the concept is all about, the environmental point of view, and also that all you will see new in Hannover Messe 2024 edition. And there are very good participation from India, from all the sectors, even the pavilion from EPC. We are also in touch with some more association, and also some delegations are taking place. So it's going to be a very great, a platform for a visitor exhibitor as well.
So if someone wants to go as a delegate or someone wants to go as an exhibitor, how they can reach out? What is the procedure?
They can contact us actually. We can guide them. We can help them with all the process they required actually. So we are like an point of contact for them.
But for visitors, there are lots of options. I mean, they can contact us if they need any information regarding how to get visa, how to travel, anything like that. And there are lots of guided tours inside the exhibition ground. You just contact us and we will let you know which guided tours are there. Then you can meet the companies which you are interested in, and you can go to the website, look at the exhibitor list, and in advance make contact with them and arrange your meeting. That will be more fruitful and successful for you to go there all the way there, and then you can get good business if you make everything in advance, all your meetings.
This is something what I would like to tell you, because we Indians we do a lot of things impromptu. We go every time in the last moment. Last year also we have seen the kind of visa problem.
Right.
And second thing, definitely if you really want to have a hotel nearby this place, you need to book before 1.5 years.
Yes.
It's all booked. And so visa also, I think now right now we can...
Now it's good. Now right now there's no visa problem. It's so smooth. We didn't have any visa problem for Jaffair. Just happened now. So there is no visa problem. But please take your appointment much before, and the visa you get within 1 or 2 weeks. It's very smooth this time.
4 days.
Exactly, but some people it extends. I got in 3 days, but then she got in 1 week, so I can't say.
See, when there are a lot of application comes, and then there is an issue. But if we can plan in advance, that will be good. I would like to ask one question to you. See, you are working with Hannover Messe for now decades, and you have seen the change, growth over years. Don't you see, even worldwide as well as in the Germany, there is a more important for India right now, the Indian companies, the Indian visitors, and how do you see that, over all your experience?
I can see the Indian participation is growing more and more. The thing is, each year in the Hannover Messe, the sectors are different. So some year the participation is high because they are interested in maybe in material handling or subcontracting sector or some other sectors. And the other year maybe it is little less. But I can see the companies are very happy. The regular exhibitors are participating for many years, and their business is growing. They said we can't be absent from this fair. We have to be seen there. You need to be there. You can't be absent. So the exhibitors are growing every year. People value the products from Indian company because they feel it is more quality wise, it is very good. In between the Chinese company, because of COVID, they were not coming. Of course, our Indian companies made a kill because of that. They made a lot of business, but I can see people, the customers, the visitors who come to Hannover Messe, they prefer to go to Indian companies and do business with India more.
This is a great time. See, one thing is there, when I go to Hannover Messe, some people who come and help out of the way is these two people. I must say, I thank very much from Machine Maker, because we don't know many times how to, even sometimes food, it is very difficult to get. But as people, as the organizers, if there is any issues, any exhibitor face, even a person from media, these people are there to help us, and that is what makes our life easier there. Thank you very much for all the support extending
Thank
to
you.
us.
And thank you for your support too.
Thank you, always supporting us.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
great time. Have a great Hannover Messe
Yes,
2024.
thank you
Sure,
so much,
sure.
Harry.